The wait is now on for Jamaica and West Indies batsman John Campbell to know his fate after appearing before the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS on Thursday in his appeal against a 4-year ban for an anti-doping rule violation last year. Keon Rayner has more in this report.
After waiting for 6 months to finally have his appeal before sport's highest legal body, the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS, against his 4-year ban received in October last year, Jamaica and West Indies left-handed batsman John Campbell and his legal team presented their arguments on Thursday. The matter was heard by a single arbitrator, the respected American Jeffrey Benz, via Zoom. It lasted approximately 4 hours after getting underway at 7 a.m. Jamaica time. Campbell's legal team of Ayanna Thomas and Mark Paul Cohen argued for up to a 3-year reduction based on the overall assessment of the sanction provision and the mitigating factors in the case. Following oral presentations by both legal teams, arbitrator Benz, who heard the matter from London, is understood to have reserved his judgment until a later date. On October 7, 2022, the Ken Gammon chaired 3-member Jamaica Anti-Doping Independent Disciplinary Panel slapped Campbell with a 4-year ban for a charge of evading, refusing, or failing to submit to sample collection. Campbell, who has played 20 test matches, 6 one-day internationals and 2 T20 internationals for the regional team, now faces a further wait of between 1 and 4 months to learn what the CAS arbitrator Benz will rule. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.